Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send an email from the YII2 framework using an SMTP server. I'll be using mailmug.net settings as an example, but you can easily replace them with any other SMTP provider you have. First, open your config web.php file and add the mailer configuration. Now we need to change use file transport to false. We can copy paste the transport SMTP credential from our mailmug.net website. Mailmug.net is providing SMTP sandbox account. We can easily test SMTP with mailmug.net. Now just copy and paste your sandbox SMTP credentials from the mailmug.net dashboard. Now open your YII application. Visit the contact page, fill out the form and hit submit. Now you will see the email appear in your mailmug.net dashboard and you can easily test it from there. More details are available in the description below.